Good morning, my name is Tarmo and my geocaching name is Metroboy2011. Today I'm here in Chelmsford and behind me is a river Chelmer. There is one new geocache hidden in this park and I'm trying to get that one. Should be easy enough, but you never know what you can find. This is Chelmer Valley Park and this one is difficult to find the name. What's the name of this park actually? I mean, the river Chelmer goes through here. There's also a little bit of Springfield attached to it. There's Fifth Avenue Park over there. But what's the main name of the park? In Chelmsford you got Admiral Park and you also got that big Central Park behind the bus station. So yeah, I guess the correct answer would be, let's see, Chelmer Valley Local Nature Reserve. So this lovely dog walker told me, who overheard my speech about this park, that this is a nature reserve. And this walk is called the Bunny Walk and it leads me to the Arun, A-R-U-N, whatever that means. So I contacted the cache owner asking, is it okay to cover this one? And there was a little bit misunderstanding about my choice of word. I was asking, can I cover the geocache find? And the cache owner took the word cover literally, was a little bit puzzled what I'm gonna do with is cache. Am I gonna cover with it something or something? I don't know what he meant. But anyway, the cache owner, EddieGoesGeocaching, gave me the green light. And as I understand, EddieGoesGeocaching is formerly known as Eduardo_DD7. And I found his caches in this area previously. So let's see how it goes. Should be easy enough find, my guess. So this is the location for the cache here, and I'm sure I'm gonna find in a second. But just to show you, from the same cache owner, if you see that bush over there, there's a set of stairs going down in front of this bush. And I remember the last incarnation of the cache was actually hidden under this bush next to the stairs. And there's a high chance that it might be still here. So I'm gonna give a quick look. Maybe it's still here, you never know. Sometimes these caches survive even though they've been taken off from the map. But the last incarnation of this cache here was hidden somewhere over here next to these stairs, next to these steps. And I'm just gonna give a quick look. Maybe it's still here. You never know. You never know. Nah, I don't think so. It's just some old deodorant there. But getting back to the topic, let's find that cache and see how it looks like. And yes, I found the cache. But there's a small issue with this one. The hint specifically calls the cache find to be magnetic, and this one is a black vial that does not have any magnet inside, though there is a log sheet inside that I need to get tweezers, which is highlighted in the cache description. So that part is true, there's a log sheet. Everything else is fine, only thing that it's not magnetic. So what I did, I sent another message to the cache owner and asking, is this the cache I'm looking for? Let's see what Eddie or Eduardo has to say about this one. and then I can see, can I claim this find, or there's another cache hidden in this host back there. I think it is the cache because the log sheet says the cache name, best bring tweezers. It's got the cache owner name, and the names corresponds for the names I found on the online logs. So I'm pretty sure this is the cache. Only thing, it's not magnetic. But that's fine. Thanks for the great cache, Eduardo, and I hope to see some of your caches more. Now, let's hide it back where I got this one, and let's walk back to the bus station.